Oh yeah, what's going on guys? I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be making a beat like Shoreline Mafia or something like that. Those sort of like 100 BPM bouncy beats. So let's get into it. So gonna set to 100 BPM. And for these type of beats I usually like to start with the drums. So get these hats and just do this. And the claps, just a basic clap. Put it on the 2 and the 4, and we sort of get this bounce. Copy out to 4 bars. Just get the Z808. All you need is a punchy 808, and yeah, you're good. So we'll try and keep this one empty. So it's like. I can't get it. Oh, I know. Something like this. That's good enough for now. I'm gonna get a nice punchy kick. Copy and paste the same pattern. Just a little bit. And yeah, that should be good. Yeah, let's get this. Just take these off. For those who don't know, fruity limiter. Get rid of these and it's fine. A lot of people say, oh, it's muddy, but yeah, you just do that and it fixes it. And now the kick punches, as you can tell. We're gonna get one of these perks, and we're gonna make it simple because over, I guess. Oh, whoops. I'm gonna do this one final thing and I'm gonna make a melody. Alright. Just gonna get a little bell and we're good. It'll just break the melody over tuba, so yeah. Get a pad. I like this pad. And yeah, we'll do that. And then you're basically done. You're finished, mate. After you've done this, you're done. You just need to fill out a little bit more space. Yeah. Gucci. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix this beat just by leveling everything. Yeah, add isotope vinyl. Let's go. Not too much. And then we're just gonna route all these like this. And yeah. And we're done. Get all this. Move it down. And then EQ it. Soft clip when we're good. And yeah, that's the full beat. I'm just gonna lay this out real quick and then play it for you. Here's the full beat. Speed up actually. good. We're done. That's it. That's the beat. Obviously, you got some arrangement tricks and that, but yeah. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Instagram at unwantedchip_. And yeah, we're good. I'll catch you in the next one.